motion of our...
Motion, I second motion.
What is the motion?
Yes. Congressman De La Gale, will you please restate your motion?
Mr. Chairman, I move that we favorably endorse House Resolution number 1109 for deliberation in the plenary.
Is there any second? Pagbigyan naman nila yung chairman na sasagot.
Mr. Chairman, I'd like to refer...
Yes.
I'd like to call the attention of the body.
It has been... Sandali lang po. You will have your chance.
Thank you.
It has been moved and seconded that this committee approve resolution 1109 to refer to the plenary plenary session. Is there any objection? Now,
Objection.
yes, Congressman Gomez.
That was not the motion. The motion of our colleague is to favorably endorse for plenary discussion. He did not say endorse approval. So we have to clarify that. Because the chairman he stated it. He stated it as endorsing approval.
May we request Congressman De La Gale to restate this motion again?
This is precisely the practice cited.
Pakinggan natin ba? Pakinggan natin.
Mr. Chairman, I think this is a matter of semantics. But to be very clear, I move that this committee favorably endorse the approval of 1109.
I think the motion is now clear. It has been moved and seconded that we approve resolution 1109 so that it will be sent to the plenary for discussion. Is there any objection?
Objection. Objection, Mr. Chairman. Next take the objection, Mr. Chairman.
Sandali lang, hindi pwedeng tatlo magsasalita. Isa-isa lang. Okay. Congresswoman Masa, then Congresswoman Barakel, then Congresswoman Custodio, Linis and then Congressman Rodriguez. Congresswoman Masa.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I object to the motion because, Mr. Chairman, as what we have stated in the last meeting, we have not even discussed House Resolution 1109. Hindi pa po natin na-discuss dito sa committee yung House Resolution 1109. Nagkaroon lamang ng resource persons at sila ay nagbigay ng input. Pero walang nangyari na deliberation as far as this committee is concerned on this resolution. And the members were not given a chance to express their views on the matter, on this very important resolution. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, I object to this resolution. This is a very important resolution, and this motion of minority leader, Congressman De La Gale, I think is out of order, and that's why I object to it, because this committee has not discussed this resolution, and therefore we should not act on it.
Thank you. Congresswoman Barakel.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Can I just ask for a parliamentary inquiry? It goes into the nature of my vote if with the indulgence of Congresswoman.
Tapos nila natin yung objections nila.
After her, I will just ask a parliamentary inquiry.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Objecting po ako sa motion batay sa tatlong punto na pinag-simulang pag-usapan din sa executive meeting, Mr. Chairman. Una, hindi ito simpleng technical problem ng committee report. Dahil accurately sinabi sa committee report na ni-refer lamang ng Committee on Constitutional Amendments yung resolution 1109 sa Committee on Rules. The committee did not approve, did not act favorably upon the resolution. So may judgment na, may action na ang komite sa House Resolution 1109, which was not favorable and therefore it was unfavorable. So may committee action na at kung pagbobotohan ulit ngayong hapon, that is a repetition of the action and that is not according to legislative procedures or the rules of the House. Pangalawa, Mr. Chairman, sinabi kanina sa executive meeting at isa pang basis ito ng pag-object ko sa motion na yung House Resolution 1109 is just an expression of the House that it wants a joint session to amend the Constitution. Pero hindi ito mere expression of intent, Mr. Chairman, dahil napakataas na substance ang pinag-uusapan dito, constitutional amendment. Hindi lang siya isang simpleng resolusyon. Kahit yung titulo niya ay resolusyon, napakataas ng nature niya o napakabigat. Pangatlo, Mr. Chairman, at huli, sinabi din sa executive meeting kanina na this resolution needs only a majority vote. That is highly arguable, Mr. Chairman. At mag-o-object kami hanggang sa huling sandali laban dyan. Pero fatal na nasa loob na ito ng House Resolution 1109. Kaya dapat duty ng Committee on Constitutional Amendments, huwag na pagbotohan pa ito ulit after it already took committee action on House Resolution 1109 at makita din ng Committee on Rules na hindi favorable ang action ng ating komite sa resolution ito. So, I reiterate, Mr. Chairman, I object to this motion to approve or to favorably act upon 1109. Salamat, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, just a short custodian. Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chairman, I will yield to the parliamentary. Mr. Chairman, I would like to yield to the parliamentary inquiry of my colleague from the minority.
Thank you. May I, Mr. Chair? No, Mr. Chair, if you